Hello, this is Andrew Collinson. I'm here with Josh Beil from Parallels. Hi, Josh.
Hi, Andrew.
Josh, would you mind introducing yourself and what you do?
Absolutely. Josh Beil with Parallels, Service Provider Marketing Director. Many folks know Parallels because it has a very popular consumer software product that lets you run Windows on a Mac. But what's lesser known is that's only 30% of our total business. The other 70% comes from service delivery software solutions to service providers trying to offer hosted and cloud services to SMBs.
Right, and we were talking earlier today about cloud services for telcos. What do you see the opportunity for telcos in the cloud?
We really see the opportunity specifically for telcos to target their SMB customers with bundled cloud services, layering on top of the broadband infrastructure as well as some of their voice and data services, but taking it to the next level of web presence, communications and collaboration, and even some specific business class emails, really in that brokerage model that we talked about.
So a cloud services broker, yeah? That's the kind of space.
Yes, more or less.
Excellent. Tell me, what are the challenges, you think? What are the main challenges to that model?
There are a number of challenges, but one I'll highlight is that there is some significant complexity in bringing together multiple third-party services and applications with potentially different hosted models. Some are already in the cloud, some are hosted at the telco's data center, some are client server, some are multi-tenant, and some have different billing models, some have different pricing models, some have different licensing models, and really trying to put that all together in a fabric and a framework that enables the telco to create catalogs of different types of bundles and services is not a simple problem necessarily to solve.
Josh, earlier you were telling me about the open standard, and you see that as a key tool to help telcos. Can you very quickly explain that?
Well, sure. So I mentioned the complexity of bridging together all of these potentially disparate third-party services as the aggregator in the brokerage model. The challenge there, of course, being, well, what's the glue that makes that all stick? And so Parallels actually felt that the best way to do that was through an open standard, and we have invested heavily into what's called the Application Packaging Standard, or APS for short. And what that does is it puts the burden on the ISV or on the third-party service and application to wrap their service and application in an XML framework that defines things like pricing models and licensing terms and subscription terms. And once they're APS enabled, they can snap right into a catalog that works off of this framework and this standard, making bundling and making bundles and just creating a diverse, rich catalog of services available for that aggregator.
So it's a commercial and technical standard?
Yes, it is.
And I understand you've got some research that's available talking about the needs of SMB customers. Can you tell me a little about that?
Absolutely. So Parallels has really wanted to step up its level of awareness into the SMB opportunity, particularly. And what we did is we actually funded research in 13 different countries where we did primary research with the SMBs themselves, and we looked at buying trends, adoption trends, future plans around major categories of services that small and medium businesses need. The research is available as a courtesy, complimentary on our website.
Josh, that's great, and I hope we get to see you at future events, and maybe you can share some more of that research then. That would be great.
Thank you, absolutely.
Josh, thank you.
Thank you.